Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I roast my fish. This is tilapia fish, fresh from the lake. So here we have some capsicums, the red and yellow one. We have some onions, we have some dania or coriander or parsley, however you like to call it. This process was messy, and I'll explain it to you why it was messy. So here I was prepping all the ingredients. I also added some chilies, some tomatoes, some lemon, and there are the tilapias, if I can call them that way. And while I'm cooking, I like being distracted by some noise. So I had a phone there, I was listening. I was scrolling kilometers of TikTok. Now it was time to make my marinade, and this is where I went wrong, guys. I'll tell you later why. Just a few minutes, just a few seconds, I'll tell you why I went wrong. I'm adding all my capsicums, my onions, I think I should not have added that tomato because it made the marinade so watery. And I also forgot to sieve it, because I think I could have sieved to remove the watery part. I remain with the not so watery part. There I've added some chilies, and here I'm adding the coriander stems. The cameraman was doing a lot. It was just everywhere. I added some, maybe two teaspoons of water, and then I started blending everything up. And here, there, everything went well. You can see the way it's watery. I should have sieved the watery part. I remain with the not so watery part, because you'll see the mess I created. That marinade was so watery, so watery. That's the biggest mistake I did, and I'm telling you guys so that you don't repeat the same mistake. Then I added my spices. That was paprika, some salt, of course, some curry powder, but I should have added some fish masala. That just because I didn't have fish masala that time. And then I added this beef cube, not beef cube. It goes everywhere. It cooks even fish. Yeah. And that was the garlic and ginger paste I was adding. My match made in heaven, garlic and ginger paste. You can see it there. And I mixed everything up. At this point, I knew the marinade was watery, but your able chef here assumed everything, and I didn't think of sieving, but I knew it was watery, and I had the option of sieving everything to remove the excess water, but I didn't. I don't regret the decision, but it didn't help me. I don't know what he was doing in the store. I don't know what the cameraman went to do to the pantry. I don't really know. I was looking for this chopping board in the store, I remember. And then this was the fish. I noted there were some scales, so I decided to remove them. The lady who had scaled it didn't remove all the scales, and so I became a fish scaler. If you have job for fish scalers, I'll add it in my CV and I'm available to work. It was not, the scales were not that much, but I felt I needed to remove some of them. After that, I had to make those cuts so that the marinade can penetrate in very well. And I did it for the 2 tilapias. Guys, this is your reminder to just subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel. And when you give this video a thumbs up, YouTube is going to recommend it to more people. That's why I insist you give this video a thumbs up, or in short, you hit the like button, and of course you subscribe. From my analytics, I can see 70% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed to this channel. This is your time to check if you've really subscribed to this channel. Now after I've made the cuts, I washed the fish again, and then here I was sprinkling some salt to the fish. Then I added some lemon because at this point the smell of the fish was too much, and I don't like the smell of fish. That's why I can't deep fry fish in my house. So I added some lemon juice and then some vegetable oil, and then now it was time to add the marinade. Now this is where I knew I had messed up. I still knew I had the option of saving this marinade to remove that watery part, but with Anastasia I didn't. I went ahead with the marinade as it was. Sema kufa dereva kufa makaka. This was me massaging the fish, making the marinade enters to every part of the fish. You can see the way it was messy, but if I had sieved it, it would not be this messy. Now I just had to wash my hands first, and then I line my baking tray. Then I turned the fish to apply the marinade on the other side. can see the watery part is even in the baking tray. But I don't regret it. The fish turned out well. It was well cooked. And I don't regret it. The only thing I regret is not seeing that watery part. I did the same to the second fish. This was even messier because the marinade was too watery, but I moved on. I healed the crumbs and I moved on. This was not my first time roasting a fish. Actually, it was I think my 5th time. But I was very naive. I can say I was naive. I don't know what really happened actually, because the other times I don't use such water in my marinade. I don't know what really happened. You can see the oof. I'm feeling so bad watching that part right now. And the lemon, after I squeezed it, I cut it into slices and I added them inside the fish. The reason I was doing this is to minimize the smell of that fish and also to add that lemon flavor to the fish. I like eating fish, but I don't like the smell, and I don't like deep fried fish. That's why I was going through this process. And then I added some onions. But then these onions were very sweet because they were like roasted onions, and plus with that sauce they were very sweet. I served this fish with some ugali and some spinach, and the meal was very delicious. I then baked this fish in the oven at 180 degrees for 40 minutes, and it was well cooked. It was very well cooked. So thank you guys for watching this video up to this point. This is your kind reminder to subscribe to this channel and to give this video a thumbs up. Kindly give this video a thumbs up. YouTube will recommend this video to many people if you give it a thumbs up. So that's it for this week's video. I'll see you on the next one, probably next week. And if you have any ideas of other kind of videos you'd like to see on this channel, please leave your comments on the comment section, and I'll do those videos. Recipe videos that you want to see on this channel, or any other kind of content you'd like to see on this channel, please leave your comments on the comment section. Bye.